Hello students, today we are going to study reciprocal leveling. That is the second type of leveling. We had already finished the differential leveling. Now we will move to the reciprocal leveling. Now reciprocal leveling is defined as the counter leveling between 2 points for the adjustment of following condition. Now, reciprocal leveling is generally known as counter leveling to counteract the effect of variation in the average refraction, combined effect of refraction and curvature, and error in adjustment of the instrument. Now, if there will be average refraction or there will be refraction and curvature or any adjustment of the instrument, then we can counteract the effect of these by just doing the reciprocal leveling. Now suppose that there will be a water body like this and we want to take the reading on both sides of this water body, that is at A and at B. Now we just want to remove all the errors from this, so we will do the reciprocal leveling here. Now in reciprocal leveling we generally use two instruments as well as two staffs as well as two persons for carrying it. Now in first condition we just kept the instrument at near A. Okay. Now we just kept the instrument near A, that is station A, and we just kept the instrument near station A. Now we will place the staff at A and at B and we will determine the value of HA and HB. Now suppose that there will be an error of E amount, so we will take this error as E. Now the differential level between A and B is denoted by HAB, which is shown here. Now we will shift the instrument at B or near station B and we will take the reading at B as well as at A. Now the reading at B will be equals to HB dash and reading at A will be equals to HA dash with some error, that is E, which is shown here, that is E. Okay. Now the differential level between A and B is known as HBA here. Now we will compute the value of HAB and HBA. HAB will be equals to HB plus E minus HA, that will be the value of HAB. Now we will compute the value of HBA. It will be equals to HB dash minus HA dash plus E. Now for the removal of this error small e, we need to take the average differential level. So H average will be equals to HAB plus HBA by 2. On putting all these value, we will get HB minus HA plus E plus HB dash minus HA dash minus E by 2. From plus E minus E will cancel out and we will get H average as HB minus HA plus HB dash minus HA dash divided by 2. Now on calculating the average differential level between A and B and on performing the reciprocal leveling, we had just removed the error because this equation does not contain the value of E. So H average will be equals to HB minus HA plus HB dash minus HA dash divided by 2. Now this condition is valid when A is above B. It means that when station A is above station B, then this condition holds. Otherwise, H average will be equals to HA minus HB plus HA dash minus HB dash divided by 2 and this equation holds when B is above A. It means that when station B is above station A, then this equation holds, that is HA minus HB plus HA dash minus HB dash divided by 2. Now reciprocal leveling is independent of type and value of error. By the counter leveling, error is balanced and the correct differential level between 2 points can be calculated as following. Now the reciprocal leveling is independent of the type and value of error because the final equation of differential level does not contains the value of E. That's why H differential will be equals to difference of observation from first point plus difference of observation from second point divided by 2, and this formula will be same in each and every case. Okay student, that is all about the reciprocal leveling. Thank you very much students.